Are you really tired of planning your perfect vacation? Don't worry, I have a tool that will automatically generate a path from start to finish, including food, hotels, rides, and all the necessary things you need. Now it's time to say goodbye to the stress of travel planning and hello to effortless adventures. Let's get started. Meet WhatDo, your new AI-powered travel companion. WhatDo is an advanced AI-driven travel planning platform designed to streamline and enhance travel experiences. Whether you're a casual vacationer or an adventurous explorer, WhatDo integrates key travel planning elements into one comprehensive, user-friendly tool. WhatDo is packed with features to make your trip unforgettable. Enjoy interactive travel guides, real-time booking options, and insider tips from fellow travelers. Plus, with its user-friendly interface, planning your trip is a breeze. Whether you're a solo adventurer, a family vacationer, or a digital nomad, WhatDo is your perfect travel companion. From budget backpackers to luxury seekers, everyone can benefit from WhatDo's personalized recommendations. Let's check how it's working. Let's put a destination Mumbai. Let's check. It gives us all the things like day plans, things to do, food, nightlife. Let's check the plan. It gives us images with user reviews to make our trip better. It gives us Mumbai's famous food, attractions in Mumbai, sessional activities, costs, and many more. It helps you saving time and money while exploring new destinations. WhatDo helps you discover hidden gems, avoid tourist traps, and create memories that last a lifetime. It's like having a travel expert in your pocket. Ready to experience the future of travel planning? Check out WhatDo.in now and let the AI do the work. Your dream vacation is just a few clicks away. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration.